cicadas. Everywhere. Look at it. Full HD cicadas in HD, bro. Oh my god, they look so ugly in HD. Oh my god, this is too fucking big. Oh my god.
Dan, this gun hardly... Oh shit.
What?
This gun hardly makes any noise.
Well, hopefully
It's like just...
we shoot the gun.
It's not loud.
It's loud enough. Hopefully, you know, like a big bang, they'll all like freaking swim away. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. That's nothing compared to what we're gonna get.
So scary. Look at that, yo. I have an idea, though. Let's watch this. Ready?
No, Dan. Oh shit.
Oh shit, that's so scary.
Come on, Dan. What did he ever do to you?
Oh my god.
They just stay still no matter
right?
what.
That's scary. They stay still.
It's like they don't like to move.
Oh shit. What the fuck's so...
He'll fly if I think you put it on max. Oh my god, these things.
Yo, like a pro, yo, like a pro. Yeah, max speed.
He'd be great on like
goes nowhere.
I think these things would be great on those mechanical bulls.
Yeah, right. Mechanical bulls are the winners.
Yeah.
Comedian you are.
It's so weird. Look at that shit.
They're huge, bro. Wait up. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, it looks so cool in HD, bro. It's not even funny.
Wow,
Dude,
that's a really... I can see it.
I just came to almost on my MacBook Pro.
There's two of them now on your windshield. Are they trying to mate or something?
Yeah, that's what they're trying to mate.
I feel him.
Oh, perfect.
What's he trying to do? Give him a head or something?
Try to get some head, yo.
Yeah, there's a lot of them around here. Look at this shit. They kind of remind me of bees a little bit.
Really?
Like wasps, whatever.
I love how this is sitting and chilling. Oh, he's gone. Alright, I was just chilling there. Oh my god.
Yeah, I really don't think
Twitch.
this gun isn't loud at all. I don't think this is gonna work.
Well, first just close the lid just in case someone comes in. I want to see if I can wet him. I know I'm saying like the windshield wetter thing.
No, why would you do that? Well, it's very hot out here. Wow, they don't move for shit.
You telling me?
The only thing if you... Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yo, you heard that, right? It's like a big thump. Like that.
You want to get your registration or something?
Comedian, like a freaking comedian you are.
What?
I said, you're like a comedian.
Oh, really? I didn't think that was that funny. Oh, good for
Really?
you.
Alright, let's put this in my hand. Oh my god, bro, this
I
is so
think these things would get into your
big.
engine if you went very close.
Psst. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Yo, it looks so good in HD, bro.
Are you
Oh
uploading
my
this to
god.
anything?
Yeah, man,
Facebook or
YouTube.
something? This is gonna be a long ass video. I think people lose interest after the first 10 seconds.
Nah, bro, it's cicadas, bro. Oh, I forget hands shake. I don't know why.
You're probably twitching.
Yeah, right?
You're picturing these things getting into the car.
Oh my god, stop.
Fuck!
Fuck, dude.
No, Dan, there really isn't one in the car.
Yo.
Just kidding.
I bet you people can scared in that one. Dude, this looks so good in HD, bro. Oh my god. I feel like, yo, I really love this camera. By the way, this is a Sony Handycam HD. Yes, Sony Cam. Look at that, HD, incredible quality. All right, let's do a sound test.
Oh. Yeah, we can hear them.
All right, we can hear him. So all counts, right?
Yeah, that's all that counts.
Yeah, because if you leave it open too long, Then fucking come flying right in like it's nothing. Oh my god, dude, it's like a trillion.
Why don't you beep? See what happens. Well, they don't move or anything. Yeah, they don't really care. They just like to be left alone.
Yeah, because they're trying to get laid, yo.
They're getting laid. What do? Get laid with the leaves?
No, they help each other.
I don't even see them helping each
make
other.
eggs. No, it's quiet over here because I bet you all females. Fuck, dude. Dude, it's making me twitch, yo. Making me.
Scaring me more than those things are.
Oh shit, yo! Oh my god, it's so freaking hard. These are the hardest shells in the world, yo. I mean, we're 2 19-year-olds, big pussies, right?
Trust me, we're not the only guys.
Oh no, Joe.
Nah. They don't have
Where's Harry's?
How zoomed in is the camera to this guy right here?
It's part 2 of the video. Because I want the videos to be too big. She said. Oh my god. It looks crazy in HD, yo. I really can't wait to get home.
You're really bragging about this camera.
Dude, you'll see on MacBook Pro, you'll see.
Okay, are you trying to show off the cicadas, or are you trying to sell the camera? What's the point of the YouTube video?
Both.
Sony, I love them.
Best cameras, bro. Best cameras.
Best games.
Yeah. Oh my god, so many of them.
You know what would be cool if you could actually shoot water from your car so they could reach those plants. Wouldn't that be cool?
Do it, yeah. Oh my god, it's so HD.
You know, but if you had a sunroof and you kept that open.
Oh my god. Yo, look at it. I dropped the screen so it's a white. See the white bar?
Yeah.
Dropped it, fucking cracked. But I mean, it still works. So that's all that matters.
Will that white bar be on YouTube?
All right, ready? Let's do it. Oh, holy crap!
What?
So fucking big. Oh my god! You imagine like thing popped out of nowhere and scared everyone on YouTube? That'd be funny. And poor things all over the freaking floor. Poor little bodies.
Remember, Dan, they're more afraid of us than we are of them.
I know.
Well, no, actually, they're not really afraid of us. They don't really seem to care. What happened? Put the windshield wipers on max again. Let's see what this guy does.
Oh, he's going. You know what sucks? If I crack this shit open and smear his body over the windshield.
He's going to the car wash.
Oh god, they're just chilling there on the floor like it's nothing. These bastards don't even care about us. They just care about them doing them. We're doing us.
You just like to chill.
Yo, these things are so down to earth, yo. They just like chill like it's nothing, yo. Oh my god, so many of them. Alright, so ready for a second sound test?
What's the second?
You know, we open the window.
No.
Come on, bro, please.
Oh, everyone knows what these things sound like.
No, dude. HD camera, bro. HD sound. Oh my god. This poor thing has his wings crumpled up.
Which guy? The one
Right
who's
here.
on the windshield?
Another one. His wings are like crumpled up, yo. I bet you can't find no more. So they're out now. What's today's date? What's today's date?
June 5th.
June 5th. So how long? Like, what date are they gonna die? Like, die off?
I have no idea.
Word. Alright, let's do another sound test. Cause so my microphone's right here. So it's like, excuse me.
I don't really hear them.
Alright, ready? There's so many of them. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think you want
I
it.
can't do it.
Yeah. Dan, stop. Holy
Oh
shit,
my
you're too
God.
fucking close.
Alright,
Jesus.
give me. Oh, look at that. There's hundreds of them in this bear jail. Look at that. Oh. These bastards just want to stay on. They don't care.
Yeah, we should just leave them alone.
No.
Just let them live their life.
No.
What did we ever do to them? What did they ever do to us?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Let's just like explore what they do and everything. Like let's just like learn more about them.
Be here for 2 hours, still sitting on leaves.
There goes all the dead bodies, hit by cars. As you can see, people park here. See a sign called just an island. People park here or whatever. And there goes all the dead bodies. I can't believe they don't care that we're like on top of it right now.
Oh, why don't you beep now?
Oh yeah.
And like, I mean like hard. Wow, they don't give a shit about anything.
Yeah, right? I think we should drive a little more, like a couple more inches up.
Nah, you're in here. You're good.
Give me that gun.
No, Dan, they're gonna freak.
Wait, is it loaded? Is it loaded?
I don't think so.
You didn't load one up?
Dan, I told you I don't want to break your gun.
Alright. Look at that. All over his freaking tires, bro. Look at that. All over his tires.